flying over the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. And there she goes, right there, in all of her glory. You're going to be getting some magnificent views of the bridge tunnel, both daytime and nighttime. You want to stay tuned to the end, though. I have some bonus footage of a bridge that you're going to want to see. So without further ado, let's get it. So while you're taking in some breathtaking views of the Bay Bridge Tunnel, let's go over a few facts. At first, there was a private ferry service over at the eastern shore, and that was the only way that passengers could get back and forth from that side. So in 1960, they began the construction of the Bay Bridge Tunnel. It took them 42 months until they finally opened it for traffic in April of 1964. It was a magnificent accomplishment. So some people wonder, is it a bridge or is it a tunnel? Let's break it down. So actually, it's both bridges and tunnels. 17.6 miles of both combined, and this is how it breaks down. You have 12 miles of lower level trestle, 2 1-mile long tunnels, 2 bridges, 2 miles of causeway, and that's the raised roadway part. You also will see 4 man-made islands, 5.5 miles of approach roads. Wow, yes. So one interesting fact that a lot of people don't know about, construction is currently underway to add a second tunnel beside the existing one. It's going to be located on the southern end. The estimated completion is supposed to be 2023. However, that's got pushed forward some because of things beyond their control. The Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel was once considered one of the 7 global engineering wonders of the world. It takes less than 30 minutes to get across the whole thing. We've actually have ridden beside this tunnel in our jet skis and our boats. There are 4 islands that we call. Those are the 2 ends of the tubes, and they are perfect places to catch some fish. The water surrounding the Bay Bridge Tunnel is relatively shallow. It ranges from 20 to 30 feet in depth. The crossing actually cuts off 95 miles of the journey that it would take from Virginia Beach to Wilmington, Delaware. In 1987, the bridge tunnel was officially named the Lucas J. Kelman Jr. Bridge Tunnel in honor of the man who spearheaded the project. The bridge tunnel separates the Atlantic Ocean and the Chesapeake Bay. Sit back and enjoy her beauty. make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when we post it. Thank you. for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's some more to come. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification. Deuces.